Offered in our weekly online classics auction from the 20th to the 27th of February is this 2000 Porsche 911 996 Carrera 2. It's covered a very sensible 112,500 miles with a 3.4 litre engine, 6-speed manual gearbox and the non-sunroof coupe. The exterior presents well in Meridian Silver, no obvious blemishes or marks that we can find. It has had some paint correction and detailing carried out in 2024, along with a refurb of the GT3 alloy wheels, which were factory spec'd from new. The interior has been highly spec'd, aluminium gear shift and handbrake, rear wiper, 3-spoke airbag steering wheel, Porsche premium sound system, top tinted windscreen and onboard computer including CD prep, along with a soft ruffled black leather trim. Seats are presented well with no rips or tears that we can find, as is the dashboard. The centre console and aluminium gear sticks around are showing some age-related marks, so please do have a look at the photographs for those. Mechanically it appears to be in good shape, 15 stamps in the service book. It was serviced in June 23 by Jasmine Porsche. It's had a new alternator, the IMS bearing upgrade was done along with a new clutch in 2016 at 102,000 miles. Recent works in 2024 include a full mechanical inspection, works carried out as required, including the MOT advisories being attended to. It's had a new water pump fitted, new front brake pipes and a new handbrake rebuild kit has been fitted. It's got the original book pack, service book showing 15 stamps, collection of MOT certificates going back to 2003 and all invoices for works carried out by Porsche and Porsche specialists. So for more information on this and other cars available in the auction, please do visit www.manorparkclassicsonline.com, and if you'd like any more information, please do get in touch.